Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, who among the following is considered the father of modern physics? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, or Max Planck? The correct answer is option B, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is considered the father of modern day physics and is credited for revolutionary theories that have helped science explore the boundaries of the cosmos. Next question. Dry ice and mothballs are changed directly from solid to gaseous state without going into liquid state by which of the following methods? Vaporization, condensation, melting, or sublimation? The correct answer is option D, sublimation. Sublimation is the process of a substance changing directly from a solid to a gas without going through a liquid state. Dry ice, mothballs, iodine crystals, and zinc compounds are all substances that sublime. The famous Wall Street crash occurred in which year? 1929, 1917, 1945 or 1939? The correct answer is option A, 1929. The Wall Street crash in 1929 led to the Great Depression affecting economies worldwide. Next question. Who is credited with developing the first successful polio vaccine? Albert Einstein, Edward Jenner, Jonas Salk, or Louis Pasteur? The correct answer is option C, Jonas Salk. In the early 1950s, the first successful vaccine was created by US physician Jonas Salk. Salk tested his experimental killed virus vaccine on himself and his family in 1953 and a year later on 1.6 million children in Canada, Finland, and the USA. Next question. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Venice, Amsterdam, Paris, or Cairo? The correct answer is option A, Venice. Venice, Italy is famously known as the City of Canals due to its extensive canal system. Next question. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Vietnam, India, Brazil, or Colombia? The correct answer is option C, Brazil. Situated in South America, Brazil is the top producer of coffee. They produce 268 million metric tons of coffee on average every year. Next question. The capital of Canada is Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver, or Montreal? The correct answer is option B, Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada located in the province of Ontario. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? Ga, Ge, Au, or Ag? The correct answer is option C, Au. The chemical symbol for gold is Au, derived from the Latin word aurum. Classified as a transition metal, gold is a solid at room temperature. Next question. Which philosopher is known for his work The Republic, which explores justice and the ideal state? Socrates, Aristotle, Plato, or Epicurus? The correct answer is option C, Plato. Plato's The Republic is a seminal work in Western philosophy discussing justice, politics, and the nature of the ideal state. Last question. The currency of Switzerland is known as euro, franc, pound, dollar. The correct answer is option B, franc. Introduced in 1850, the Swiss franc or CHF is the official currency of Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and the Italian exclave of Campo d'Italia. Now is the time for practice question. The Battle of Waterloo in 1815 marked the defeat of which European leader? Napoleon Bonaparte, Adolf Hitler, King Louis XIV, or Joseph Stalin? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.